Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Toyota Prius today and we installed a 9-inch screen in this car. This is an Android head unit that we have replaced from a factory radio unit. From factory, car has only radio, nothing else, not a back camera, not so many functions. So we replaced the original radio unit with this 9-inch screen. So here, first of all, we have installed a DVR in the car as well. So it is a 1080p DVR. So I will show you later on the quality of this DVR. Then we have connected the back camera as well, so you can see. So I have parked the car a little bit near to the background. So I will park again. First of all, we have Netflix in the home menu, YouTube, Spotify, Yandex Navy, and CarLink. So CarLink is the basically Apple CarPlay Android Auto. I need to connect my phone. So that's it. My phone is connected now. All I have my Android iPhone applications on the screen because it's connected via Apple CarPlay Android Auto. So here you can see, first of all, we have phone, music, maps. This is the Apple Maps from like original Apple Maps for Apple CarPlay. We have iMessaging now playing. This is the music for the iPhone. Then we have a back button, podcast, audiobooks. We have some lots of other applications installed, like this is the Swedish radio application that works in the Sweden. This is the Google Maps for my phone. If I want to search the address, gas station, I can search from my phone. So as you can see, near Sorrentuna we have lots of Circle K, Prim or other stations for refueling. Then we have lots of other applications as well. We have Waze as well, so you can use Waze from your mobile phone. This is the complete Apple CarPlay. You can say you can use while driving with the split screen as well. So here's the navigation. Here you can use Spotify, SRT, Swedish radio, or other music applications. Then the last one is for like phone. You can use Siri to navigate. You can use Siri to play music. Everything you can do if you tap on the home menu, so you will go again on the Android screen. Here you can see we have Solentuna, the address little map window here as well. This is the car when you will drive, so it will show the GPS speed as well. It's connected with the GPS basically. Here is the music, so on pressing this button you will go again to the music files. So when I will play something, I need to check for music files. Need to go here, all, so here. Fly with me like a rainbow butterfly. So you can see all the steering wheel buttons are paired with the screen. So every music file will look like this. Then we have weather information here. On this app menu, here we have an app menu with lots of applications for Android screen. These applications are screen that itself has some applications pre-installed. First of all, we have App Store, OX, Bluetooth Music. CarLink is again Apple CarPlay Android Auto, Chrome. We have equalizer. This is a DSP supportable chip installed in the head unit. You can see all the DSP settings are available here. If I go again on the back of this home menu, here we have app menu, fan. We have next option. I will adjust it for the 50 degrees centigrade. When the screen warms up to 50 degrees, so it will automatically start. Then we have file manager here, so we have lots of applications and stuff to move, install, or copy and delete. Then we have gallery, we have Google. On the next tab we have HD DVR. This DVR is the 1080s DVR full HD. Here you can see the resolution. Plus this DVR supports the ADAS features as well, so you can turn off ADAS function from here, or you can turn on again from here. So it has lots of settings for record time, full screen, auto, GPS stamp, flip vertical, lots of other settings. So here you can see ADAS calibrations as well. So it's just a copy from the Tesla ADAS system. but it works really good. Then we have like maps, we have iGo navigation for offline navigation system. This works for whole Europe, so you can navigate without internet as well. So I will choose Swedish. For we are in Sweden, we installed for a Swedish customer. So here you can see we are at Malmvägen. Here is our shop address, Malmvägen 18D. I will go again on the home menu. We have gallery, Google, we have like Spotify, radio app, navigation, Netflix, assistive touch. We have video player. You can watch video while driving. So here you can see this is an HD screen with lots of HD features. So you can adjust via steering wheel as well, so you can pair the steering wheel as well for your own choice. We have like this Yandex Navi as well. This is also a navigation app. You can download any kind of navigation in the screen. So I'm going again on the app menu. We have last app for YouTube. This YouTube app works with the internet. Right now my screen is not connected with the internet, but we have installed one USB slot or one SIM card slot here, and one USB slot is you can say it is connected with the DVR here. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask in the comment below. I will provide all the contact information in the description below. You can contact us via our email address or WhatsApp number as well. So that's the video for today. See you next time with another car, another video. Thank you. Bye bye.